Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing issue on iPhone and iOS 16. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix app crashing issue on your iPhone or iOS 16. So guys, let's get started this video. So guys, the solution one is restart your iPhone. So guys, for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen. So the next method is, guys, force quit the apps. So guys, quit the apps on your home screen. So all. So after force quitting your apps, the next method is free up storage space on your iPhone. So guys, check for storage space on your iPhone. If your storage is full, this issue come for app crashing issue. So guys, so I have a lot of storage now. So guys, if you didn't have storage on your iPhone, delete some files to free up storage. So guys, the next method is uninstall and reinstall app. So guys, if you have app like I have VPN and it's crashing, so delete the VPN and reinstall again. So after doing this, so guys, the next method is check for update. So guys, check for update, tap on app store, tap on app profile icon. So here you can see, guys, the updates are available. So install all updates, tap on update all. So update all your apps to the latest versions. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your app crashing issue on your iPhone and iOS 16. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.